welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you guys to my own land, that is Odisha. In here, Puri's famous Jagannath Temple holds a prominent place of importance for devotees. It is one of the Char Dham pilgrimage sites in India and is also well known for the annual chariot festival or the Rath Yatra. Apart from all these facts, the Jagannath Temple is also known for some mysteries that defies any scientific explanation. People believe these mysteries are actually blessings of Lord Jagannath. Let's look at some of the unsolved truths. Starting off, number 1. The temple flag that defies logic. The flag atop the temple strangely always floats in the direction opposite to that of the wind. यार सही सुन रहे हो, हमेशा wind के opposite में ही चलती है ये flag. The flag floating in opposite direction brings your scientific reasoning to a halt, and you just tend to believe that there's some force more powerful than science. Number 2. The Sudarshan Chakra. The chakra fitted on top of the temple is actually 20 feet high and weighs a ton. But what's interesting is that you can see this chakra from any corner of the Puri city. And also, still irrespective of your position, you can always feel that the chakra is facing towards you. Now that's some serious engineering mysteries. Coming on number 3. Nothing flies above the temple. You will be surprised to know that no birds, no planes, no helicopters, or literally nothing as such flies above the temple. The site is actually a no-fly zone which has not been declared by any state power, but some serious divine power. Number 4. The temple structure. The structure of the temple is such that it does not cast any shadow at any given time of the day. यार सच बोल रही हूँ, मान लो वहाँ जाके ही देख लो. It still remains to be deciphered whether it is an engineering marvel or a phenomena by divine force. Number 5. The mystery of Sihadwar. This is the main entry door to the temple. You can clearly hear the sound of the waves until you pass this door. You cannot in fact hear the sound of waves or anything as long as you are inside this temple. Number 6. An 1800-year-old ritual. Every day, a priest climbs atop the temple, which is as tall as a 45-storied building, to change the pataka. Now what is pataka? Pataka is the flag. The ritual has been in place for 1800 years, and it is believed that if this is missed ever, the temple will remain shut for the next 18 years. Number 7. The Prasad Mystery. The food is never wasted in Jagannath Temple. Yes, that's a fact. Depending on the day, 2,000 to 20,000 devotees visit this temple, but the quantity of prasad or bhogo in Odia remains the same throughout the year. Yet this bhogo never gets wasted or is insufficient in any given day. That's the Leela of our God. Number 8. The Pot Mystery. The pots in the temple kitchen are actually used to cook the special delicacies using firewood. Every day, 56 items are made. 7 pots are used for this and are placed one on top of the another. Interestingly, the content in the topmost pot gets cooked first, followed by the bottom pots. Number 9. The Sea Enigma. You must have noticed that during the day, the winds from the sea blows towards the land, and in the evening, the wind from the land blows towards the sea. However, the geographical rules are also inverted in Puri. Exactly the reverse occur here. Number 10. The installation of the chakra. The 8-spoke chakra was brought all the way up and introduced on the Gopuram 2000 years earlier. How this wheel was taken all the way up to the top of a 45-story temple and installed in what way is another mystery that is still unsolved. Coming to number 11. The increasing weight of the idols. During the Rath Yatra, the chariots are carried away from the temple with the gods. However, during the pulling of Raths, the wooden idols gain their weight, making it hard for devotees to pull the chariot, and hence stopping them for some time. Last but not the least, number 12. Lord Krishna's heart is still beating at Puri's Jagannath Temple. Sounds unbelievable, right? But according to the myth, King Indradyumna came across Lord Krishna's heart floating in water. Since that time, people have come to think that Lord Jagannath's wooden statue has been fitted with that hat. So these were the 12 unsolved mysteries from the temple of Prabhu Jagannath. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Till then, see ya!